Apple Inc. is one of the world's most prominent technology companies. Here are some key details about Apple. 1. Founders. Apple was founded by Steve Jobs, Steve Wozniak, and Ronald Wayne on April 1, 1976, in Cupertino, California, USA. 2. Headquarters. Apple's headquarters, known as Apple Park or the Spaceship Campus, is located in Cupertino, California. 3. Current CEO. As of my last knowledge update in January 2022, the CEO of Apple was Tim Cook. 4. Products. Apple is well known for its wide range of consumer electronics, software, and services, including the iPhone, iPad, Mac computers, Apple Watch, iOS and macOS operating systems, the App Store, iTunes, and iCloud. 5. Retail stores. Apple operates a global network of retail stores known as Apple Stores, where it sells its products and provides customer support and services. 6. Financials. Apple is one of the most valuable publicly traded companies globally, with a strong focus on design, innovation, and user experience. It consistently ranks among the top technology companies in terms of revenue and market capitalization. 7. Innovation. Apple is known for its innovative products and services, and it has a history of introducing groundbreaking devices such as the iPhone, which revolutionized the smartphone industry. 8. Sustainability. Apple has also made commitments to environmental sustainability, with efforts to reduce its carbon footprint and promote renewable energy in its operations. Please note that this information is based on my last update in January 2022, and there may have been developments or changes since then. For the most current information about Apple, I recommend visiting the official Apple website or referring to recent news sources.